Gonna start off with a big bowl. This is the type of sea moss I use. I'll leave the link in the description below, and spring water. This is what it should look like right out of the package. It's this tan yellow color. This size should be good for 2 people. You'll need a 25 to 32 ounce mason jar. The bigger the better. Start off by rinsing your sea moss in warm water to break up any salt or other particles. I rinse it twice, making sure to break it up as well. Once you're done doing that, you're gonna cut up a lemon like so. Squeeze a good amount of lemon on your sea moss. This will help make the flavor more pleasant. Place all the lemon in the bowl with the sea moss. You're gonna fill the same bowl with spring water, making sure all the contents are fully submerged, and make sure you're only using spring water. Cover this up with saran wrap and let this sit on your counter overnight. Do not place it in your fridge. EDC, day 2. That was wild. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. This is what your sea moss will look like once it's been rehydrated. It's ready to be blended up.
Because it's me, I have to do it.
Make sea moss gel.
Yay!
Here we go. Look how much it's rehydrated. Like I said, this is how it's supposed to look when it's ready to go, ready to be blended up. So you only need that small amount. Let's say if it's just for you and someone else, bam. We got our watermelon, we got our blender, got our coffee. What I like to do is take some water, just a little bit. Let's do 3. You don't need that much because watermelon, it's watermelon, full of water. Okay, now we're gonna come back to the sink. We're gonna get rid of all of this, we're gonna throw this away. All right, so now we're going to get rid of this water.
Yeah, it's a lot different.
See? That's what you want, and it's good for us. Plenty of nutrients and vitamins, and it's great for hair, great for skin. If you have inflammation, if you want to sleep better, have more energy, lower your blood pressure.
That's always good. We like that.
Sea moss.
Watermelon.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna start off with some watermelon first and put it in the blender. That should be okay. Take all of my hands are clean.
They better be clean. After being at EDC.
Of course. There.
I went my phone again. Isn't that funny? Every time we're filming.
Every time.
Every time. For sure.
Take some more watermelon.
Dika's hair is in my hand. What the heck?
That's my mom. She's not here right now, that's why it's quiet.
Yummy.
Yummy. I need the stick. Where's the stick? Oh, it's right here. Never mind, I found it. I found the stick, guys. Very important, okay, because the first time I made sea moss, it came out gritty, okay? You wanna make sure you blend it to the most blended perfection. 2 minutes, so it's nice and smooth with consistency of applesauce. You don't want it to be gritty, you want it to be as smooth as possible, and I'll show you that when we're done.
Ready? And oh, come on.
Be sure to turn it on first.
Yeah.
So 2 minutes.
That means it's good. Let's open it up and take a look. Oh, it looks really, it almost looks like gelato.
Here is your finished product. This is what it looks like. It's very smooth, almost looks like gelato or applesauce. You take 2 tablespoons of this, or if you've just been to a massive rave with 500,000 people, you take 3. You coming down with a cold or something, you take 3 tablespoons. Water or your favorite smoothie. And you don't have to make it watermelon. You can make it your own creation, either kiwi, mango, strawberry, a little bit of water. If you think the consistency is too thick, just add a little bit more water. Blend it up for 2 minutes because you want it to be as smooth as possible. Yeah, so we are ready for day 2 at EDC. Can we have more people that take care of green dots? Especially, I mean, the things we've seen at EDC. Take care of your people, man.
What about the trash too? Yeah. What
Yeah.
about all the drugs on the ground?
There's always gonna be drugs on the ground. Yeah, overall, it was fun.
I think they need more bathrooms.
A lot, yeah, they need more bathrooms. I think the sound guys and or DJs should do a better job at making sure that the levels of the sound system are appropriate for the crowd, because I don't know if we were younger, but back in the day, you were able to get really close up to the stage and still have fun and enjoy yourself. Nowadays, you can't do that anymore. And it's like you want to, but you can't because you feel it in your chest, it hurts. So you're like way back.
You still feel it.
You still feel it.
I'm like, wow, I feel like I have to poop.
So much fun.
Yeah, I can't wait for today.
So much to see. It was kind of overwhelming. I can't imagine being on drugs at EDC.
Even not being on drugs, I would feel like that if you drank a lot of alcohol and you started early, it's hot. So you got to make sure if you're gonna party like that, you have to hydrate before. Like just pound as much hydration as you can before.
EDC day 2, we are not in a hurry. As you can see, it's gonna be hot as F, because now you get to see the day. Actually, you're gonna see it if you subscribe to this channel. If you're not subscribed to this channel, then what are you doing? You're gonna miss out on EDC and a full-blown fireworks show. 500,000 people excited to see the day.
You're ready for some amazing fun.
All right, guys, we're gonna rest. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, found it informational on CMOS, have any questions, let me know down below. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, it really helps us out. We have a lot of fun adventures and crazy adventures and food and all that.
Rest.
And we'll see you soon.